we learn how to declare a list, access the list, and some function on the list. We also learn how to add or insert elements in the list. Since adding elements is essential, removing and updating them is equally necessary for programming. Hello everyone and welcome to the Python session. In this session, we will learn how to update and delete elements in the list. Well, updating values in the list is pretty simple. And for deleting elements in the list, Python provides two methods, remove and pop. First, we will check how to update the values in the list. Suppose we have the list of languages with values C, C++, Java and Python. Now, we want to update C with basic language. How to do this? While updating the list, the index plays a significant part. We will write languages and then write 0 in square bracket and then assign the new value basic. Here 0 is the index of C. Now print the list. Let's run the code. You can see the updated value. If you want to replace Java with HTML, you will write languages and 2 in square bracket because 2 is the index of Java and assign the value HTML. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output. Well, replacing or updating the value in the list is pretty simple. Just change the value at the specific index. Now, we will see how to delete the elements from the list. Python provides two methods to delete the element from the list. The first is remove and the second is pop. Let's see them one by one. Again, we will take the list languages with values in it. Now write languages.remove and in bracket write Java. Then print the list in the next line. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output. Remove function deleted Java from the list. Well, there are two tricky things when it comes to the remove function of list. Let's modify the list and add C in two different places. One after C++ and one after Java like this. So in total, we have C in three places. Now write the remove function and pass on the value C to it. Can you guess the output? Here, remove function will delete the first occurrence of C and other will remain as it is. Run this code. Well, C after C++ and Java are unchanged. Only the first C is removed. I hope you can answer this question which comes to your interview. Now consider another tricky case. Suppose you write languages.remove and in bracket you mention Node.js. It will give an error that X is not in the list. If such error occurs, the complete program halts, which is wrong. To take care of this, we have to check whether the element exists or not before calling the remove function. You can write if, then the value Node.js, then the keyword in, and then the name of the list. And inside this, write the remove statement to remove Node.js. Run the code. You see, you didn't got any error. Now replace Node.js with C++ at both places. Rerun the code. Well, C++ is removed. Please always remember these two things. Practice few more examples and believe me, you will consistently score something good in your Python interview. Well, this was about the remove function of the list. But there is one more way to delete the element from the list, that is pop function. Well, you can write pop function in two ways. If you don't pass any parameter, pop considers the list as the stack. That means it removes the last element from the list. But if you pass an index parameter to the pop function, it removes the element from the specific index. Let's understand this with an example. So again, we will use the same list. And in the next line, we will write languages.pop followed by brackets. Then the print statement. Run the code. You see, Python is removed from the list because Python was the last element in the list. Now in the same code, pass parameter 2 as the index. Rerun the code. Well, pop function removed the element with index 2. I assume you understood two uses of pop function. These are pretty simple, but you should practice more so that you won't forget these simple things. Just like pop, there is one more method in the list. It's called clear. Clear removes all the element from the list. It's like an empty list. Again, the same list, and in next line we will write languages.clear followed by bracket. Then the print statement. Run the code. See, you got the empty list. So, to summarize, we have two methods to delete the element, that is remove and pop. Remove function deletes the element based on the value, and pop function removes the last element or the element at the specific index. And we also have a clear function which deletes all the values from the list. I know this session was a bit lengthy, but understanding all this was very important. So, thanks for watching.